Good morning guys from the Renaissance in Amsterdam. We've had our one night stay here and I'll just do a little review of the room. So you do get these tea and coffee making facilities. It's very nice. Very nice. There's a fridge with nothing inside it, which I was surprised. I thought we would get some water. A little safe there. The beds are very comfortable. Pillows are lovely. Yeah, very nice room. I can't complain about the room at all. But I have got a few little hiccups which I'll tell you about. I'll just show you outside. Ooh. That is the restaurant, breakfast restaurant downstairs. So none of the rooms seem to have any view. I will say that. So the little hiccups, let me just sit down. I'm not turning the camera around because I've literally just woke up and my work colleague is in the shower, so I thought I'd do a quick little review. I'll sit down in bed. So yes, what can I say? There's a few of my friends who checked in. Once they checked in, it was about 6 o'clock. And they came up to the room and there was somebody in the room. So that's not good at all for a 5-star hotel. The reception team did change the room for them and gave them complimentary breakfast and access to the lounge. But that's awful. Somebody in the room and they didn't know about it. They said they hadn't checked out or something, but anyway, crazy. And then a few people stayed for 2 nights. And on the first night when they were sitting in the bar, they seen a rat. There is construction going on here, but yes, they seen a rat running across the back of the bar and they seen it about 10 times. Crazy. So 5-star hotel, the room is beautiful, I can't complain. Very nice room. There. Beds are comfortable. But there has been a few hiccups. And I'm just going to go out for breakfast now. I'm not having breakfast at the hotel. That's about it, guys. Over and out. I'm going to do a little review of Amsterdam itself. I haven't done much because I'm with a lot of people, so I didn't want to do a lot of filming. But Amsterdam is a unique place. Amazing. Very busy on a Saturday. Very busy. But yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm just going to do a last little checkout review of the hotel. I'll turn the camera around. So here we go, checkout. Like I said previously, the bed was lovely. The shower is great and you've got 2 options. The overhead shower or this one. Very surprised this was empty. Which is crazy because there was no bath gel, shower gel. It has a good lighting here for your makeup. You have got to be quite tall, but we are in the Netherlands and I'm only a shorty. But yeah, the hairdryer, lovely bathroom. This is a twin room. Everything was fine. The air conditioning was fine. There's a fridge with no water, tea and coffee making facilities, a little tiny wardrobe, a safe, everything you need really. So we're just going to check out. Checkout is 12 and we've got the rest of the day in Amsterdam. So yes, this is the Renaissance Hotel in Amsterdam. Location is perfect. It's about a 5-6 minute walk from Central Station, but most of the hotels in Amsterdam Central are absolutely fine. Thanks for watching, guys.